So, we're on Tresaith Beach. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Please don't shout at me for getting it wrong. We've just been to Waterfall, so not really any parking. Sun's on its way down. We've come for a mooch. Last time we came it was high tide and now we're here at low tide. I want to show Rose that you couldn't see it, like you have to climb over the rocks and everything last time. See the little waterfall there? So that's what we're going to go and have a quick look at. Yeah, this is a really nice place. I'm assuming they're expensive because these houses and stuff, most of them's for rent, and they're really nice. Coastal path goes up there and over yonder. Proper cool though. A little bit of a scramble over the rocks, but this is Tresaith Waterfall. Comes off behind the holiday park. Thing is here, it is tidal. So now we are 10 minutes after low. That tide is coming in now. So you've got to be aware of that for a start. Because it won't be too long. I'm not quite sure the tide's here. But I'm alright, I know I can scarper over yonder and over that quite quickly. I'm not that immobile just yet. Oops, nearly was then though, wasn't it? You know, most I've ever paid for a pair of walking shoes, these. And I've never slipped so much. And cheaper ones in all my life. That, here we go. Ta-da! Not massive, but cool. That. Watch you don't get cut off with the tide. Which is on its way in and lapping at my heels, it would appear. Yeah. Just going to have a quick look over here because, well, it'd be rude not to. The tide is on its way in. Look at that, can it rock? That looks cool. You probably would be safe-ish depending on the tide there, but I wouldn't like to risk it. Oh, look at that, stunning. Oh, here we go. Here we go. How dark that rock is, James. We're going to have to be quick here. Oh, another cave. We really will have to be quick.
Yeah. Well, I've got boots on, but light to choke.
Oh, that goes far back.
Oh, the devil's mouth.
Yes, that's a beast. What have we got in here? Oh, this one's not. James, don't go in there. It's a little cave. That other one is quite deep, isn't it? Yeah. Come on, before we get cut off. I know, I really want to explore that one, but now is not the time. We'll do that when we come again, when the tide's falling. Tide's threatening to cut us off, so we'll make our way back over there. Cool though, well worth the mooch. Coming in slowly but surely.